Hi, this is Brian Fogarty, and this is a video for Chapter 8 of the book Quantitative Social Science Data with R, second edition. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to take our first look at creating multiple plots within the same space. So first, we're going to look at something known as faceting. So here, faceting involves creating separate plots based on categories or values of our variable or variables, some combination. So we could create them as like separate individual plots, but here what we do is we include everything in the same code and split them. So it's actually really simple to do. We are going to use, I'm just going to scroll up, this is from previous, let's see, what am I going to use? This is from a previous video. We're going to do a scatter plot, and what we want to do is, instead of having this as colors, instead of having urban as colors, let's see, let's run this just to remind us what this looked like. Okay, so this is what we had before. All right, so here are our colors. The blue is urban. The reddish is rural. What we're going to do is actually split them. So we're going to split the urban and rural observations and create a plot where they're next to each other. Okay, so we actually, let's see, I don't think we need this color because we're not using that. All right, let's see. Sorry, I'm just double checking everything here. Okay, so we're going to pull the color out of the AES. We don't need it there. After theme minimal, we're going to do plus, and then we're going to do facet wrap. So there's two of these faceting ones. There's facet wrap, facet grid. Facet wrap does it as columns. Facet grid does it as rows. All right. Actually, it can split it up together. I always get confused with these, but essentially, we can use these to figure out how we want to present the data. Okay, so we are going to use facet wrap. All right, and sorry, I'm confusing myself a little bit. We just want the columns, okay? Because no, we can do it as columns and rows, but we just want them as columns. We just want one row. So we're going to do facet wrap, the parentheses, a tilde, and then the variable. So urban underscore FCT. Okay, so from this, we will get a plot that has the urban and rural data zones separate. Let's take a look. All right. So we see here on the left-hand side, there's the rural data zones. On the right-hand side, there's the urban. It's an alternative way to show data. Whether or not you use it will depend on, what your goals are, what you're trying to show. But using this, it's much clearer how many more observations there are in urban, right? And how much higher they go here. So again, it's up to you. All right. So again, this is just quick way of doing faceting. You can read up on it. You can mess around with it to get what you want. All right. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.